Hello, we are going to talk something about how to export the JIT difference into anywhere you want to export by the Python tool. Name is being called as a gitzip. So what we need to prepare, first we need to prepare, we need to have JIT, right? So we check the JIT version by the JIT dash version. We need to have JIT, and to confirm we have the JIT by the JIT version. So we check this one. Yes, so I got JIT installed. If you don't have JIT version installed, you need to install the JIT. Second, we need to check our Python installed. Python. Then how to check? Python dash big V to confirm we installed Python also. So Python dash V. Yes, I got Python installed also. So the third thing we need to check is it's a kind of JIT tool. If you don't have JIT tool, it is also okay, but the JIT tool will greatly help us. So what is the JIT tool? The JIT tool is called fork, F-O-R-K, fork. It is look like this one. This is the JIT tool. We need to install this one to help us. So for example, I click the JIT tool, it will open like this. This is the JIT tool. We just need to install the JIT tool and import the JIT repository into the JIT tool called fork. So this one you need to do by yourself. And after that, we are talking about how to use the Python to export the JIT difference to any folder we want. So first we need to install the Python tool. The tool is being called gitzip. How to install the Python tool is by the command line called pip install gitzip tool. Actually, I installed already, but we can run this command again just for the demo purpose. So you need to do this by yourself. Let's say you are using version, however, we can expect everyone just ignore it. You run this, you see the successful installed message. That means you install the Python tool gitzip. Okay, after install the gitzip, then we need to run the gitzip command, something like that. But you need to know you want to compare the two different versions of JIT. So how to compare the two different versions? We open the fork, for example. We want to compare the JIT version feature 001 and also the with the master. So we see we choose the two by the control button. Select one first, control, select the other. It will show the difference, all the difference here. So we see on this one folder is called normal, and under this is a file test2 here. Also with the other file text. So we have two file difference, and we want to export the two files, also include the normal folder. How are we going to do it? So we will use the command. We'll use the command like this. And here we type Python -m. It's just command, you just type. And the gitzip, you type gitzip, and following the folder, following the folder, and export diff file where you want to put your exported diff file. So this is my folder. You are using your folder, any folder with any path, with any file name is okay, no problem. And follow this one is what is this? This is actually the version code of the zip. So where we got this one, it's just simply coming from here. So we copy the first one, the JIT folder, the JIT version code from here. Then we paste. Okay. Then we copy the second JIT version code here from our fork tool, and we paste here. Then we got it. Right. Okay. After we got it, so where we're going to run this command? Then we will need to open our GIT folder. By this, we just let's say the fork tool already help you. We can show in File Explorer. So the File Explorer, we're going to just open it for you, and we go to our GIT repo, and we're going to right click and say we're going to we say we need to run the git bash here. Okay, we run the git bash here. After we run the git bash, we can copy and paste the command from here. So this one we already just compose the command, then we can just paste the command here. We hit the enter button. Hopefully it will help us to do the job. I think it's done already. We can see the command result say, you got 2 files just been copied. Then we're going to verify. So I export the file into C disk DJH folder. We go into DJH folder. We see exported.zip is already been here. We double click. We're going to see the files is being put correctly, including folder also. You see the test2 has been included under the normal folder, and the other file test.txt also being included. So that's the way how we're going to export the GIT difference to any folder you want, and reading a zip file, and also export it with the folder structures. That is greatly helpful, and you are going to try, and you can try for your benefit. That is great. It's a great Python tool to try. It's called a Python gitzip. Okay, thank you very much. Well, we're going to see our next video. I'll stop here. Thank you. Bye bye.